Hey, good morning, everybody. I am what I am. Good morning. How we doing? How are we doing this morning? Kind of curious what happens this morning. We had a pretty crazy overnight session. Crazy session this morning, to be honest. 8:30, we had news come out, and market ripped up from 190s to now we're at 260. Crazy, crazy, man. Hey, Chad, Kid Poker, Alex, Samir, Noah, what's going on? Where I find out about news? There's quite a bit of different websites that show the news events. I use Apex News. It's like a integrated thing within Ninja Trader that shows me all the news events. We're only going up, folks. We are only going up. Crazy, man. 8-second delay. All right, let's go, Donovan. Good morning. MB, good morning. It really hurts. Good morning. Do you have to pay for the Apex newsfeed? I'm actually not sure. I do pay for Apex, the Ninja Trader, or not the Ninja Trader. I pay for the Apex Sniper system, and I'm not sure is that part of that package or not. Hold your coffee, you're going short. Woohoo! You got balls, Chad. Good morning, Chad. Crazy, man. Crazy times. Hey, good morning, Anna. Good morning. We are literally opening up, or right now, it's 9:14, 15 minutes till open, but we're at the highs. I have no idea how to play this. We're gapping up over 150 points. So 150 point gap up. I mean, I want to think that we're going to pull back before we keep going higher, but man, it's crazy. Hey, I am what I am. Yeah, what a rally. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm not quite sure how to play this morning. I'm definitely not going to short, but might just look for wait for pullbacks and then enter long, I guess. Seems like the safer thing to do. But man, oh man. I'd love to see this pull back like to the EMA before we open. But who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I know, Kid Poker. I know it's crazy. Hey, Blue Dark Ice. Your trading video isn't working. Uh-oh. What? Ever? Is it like a known issue or is it affecting everyone, Blue? Anyone else using TradeAvate having the same issue? What my profit goal is so I can withdraw? Honestly, I'd love to get to $3,100 in profit. Basically, get my account balances to $53,100. That's kind of my goal. And then I want to withdraw the $500 per account, and then just try and keep going. But right now, I'm not even really focused on that. Right now, I'm basically, my goal is to, I mean, honestly, just get it, just to trade well. Right now, my goal is just to, hey, enter my set with my setups and follow my plan, not go on tilt, not revenge trade, not over trade, leave my take profits, you know, when I enter a trade, leave my stop loss, leave my take profit, let the trade play out. Right now, that's kind of my focus. That's primarily, I need to do better with that. And then hopefully the profit will follow. But obviously right now, I'd be happy getting back to break even at this point. Get back to break even, and then we'll go from there. You know, it's a trade stop for shorting pullbacks. Yeah. Yeah, I am what I am. That's that. Yeah. Oh, I see, Blue. Okay. Man, I'm really hoping to see a little bit of a pullback here before the open, but might not happen. Man, we're not getting a pullback. Nothing. Hey, Kirktown, how we doing this morning? Hey, DWM. Good morning. Let's go. That's right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Today is a new day. Brand new day. We can make out of it whatever we want. Brand new day, clean slate. I love it. I love it. But this always makes me very nervous taking any kind of trades in we're having a 150 point gap up. We are opening at the highs the way it's looking. And that just is I'm not sure how to play that. I definitely don't want to short, but I also don't want to go long. Major move at market open, Moses. I mean, yeah, I kind of agree. I just don't know what we're doing. Are we just gonna keep ripping up, or are we gonna have a nice pullback first? Yeah, don't ruin your holiday weekend. Whoa, growing meds. Whoa, you're 2 cons each, no stop loss, take profit at 4,500. Which accounts do you have, growing meds? You're giving other people bad ideas. Holding a small short. All right, Kyle. Good luck. Good luck. I just don't have it in me to short here. Actually, I'm going to use the restroom before we open. All right, we're back. Oh man, we are literally going to open up at the highs. Not a clue. I'm sitting on my hands this morning. Hey, Rad Poker, Jamie, Design, Jin, Doc Trades, Patient Trader. Hey, good morning. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Let's have a good day. Let us have a great day today. Let us trade well. Follow our rules. I'm trying something different today as well, guys. Not anything that you guys see. Who gave me, someone in chat told me to listen to, here somewhere I wrote it down, to Creed, the performance coach. I actually follow her. I was already subbed to her, so I already watch a lot of her content, but I watched some of her content again. And one of the things that she was really adamant about was trying to eliminate as much pressure as you can. And that includes your profit and loss. So I no longer am watching or no longer can see my profit and loss, which is kind of weird. I'll be honest, this morning it's kind of weird. So obviously you guys can see it, but I can't. I can see it if I just, move some windows around and look at it. I can see it. But by default, I can't see my profit and loss. So we'll it's kind of weird for me, but it kind of makes sense. Trying to improve my, I like the Creed, the performance coach. I think what she has to say is pretty valuable. All right, we're right down to this EMA. Oh, man. We are just going to wait. We are just going to wait here at the open. There is nothing that we need to do right away. We do not need to get in. We do not, if this just rips higher, I'm sure we'll get an opportunity for a trade. That's something I really need to just work on. And we're open, folks. We are open for business. Yeah, we have a 150 point gap up this morning. I would like to think we're going to pull back here, but it's, I don't know, man. I don't know. We shall see. All right, just not much happening so far. Pulling back a little bit. Yeah, now we're pulling back. Not pulling back a lot. And now we're ripping. Unbelievable. This is crazy. Thing is on some kind of, I don't know what, but this market is absolutely nuts. Hey, good morning, Wicked. Micro NQ Trader, good morning. Again, hey, we're not going to have FOMO here. We are going to let it do its thing. Getting their trades filled before work. I don't know. I think we need a more of a pullback here, but this market is pretty crazy this morning. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Design. That's definitely that is definitely a chance. Now we're pulling back a little bit more. Come on, market. Give me a nice pullback. Like a nice pullback. Down to the VWAP or something. Doesn't look like it wants to do it. Looks like it just wants to keep ripping higher. Yeah, well, that's okay. Man, now we're getting a pullback. Keep wanting to pull back, and then it just keeps ripping it. All right, market, what do you want to do here? Feel like the market isn't sure what it wants to do. And new highs. Wow. Thank you, patient trader. Thank you. Yeah, I can do that. I can definitely do that. All right, new highs, folks. This is a days like today is where I just need to really, really grain in on that FOMO. And we do not need to try and catch every move. Oh, you happened overnight? Feels bad, but there's always another day. There's not tomorrow, but there's always Wednesday. I still think it's kind of BS that we're not open Monday. Well, we're open for half day. I might actually trade for a part of that day. I'm not sure yet. We're going to wait and see. I might just trade my evals that day and just see what happens. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. An actual pullback. Unbelievable. Hey, you know what, market? It's okay. You do your thing. We're just going to relax. We're going to chill. And whenever you're ready to pull back, you let me know. Yeah, that's something also I want to be a little bit more mindful of. Like on a trend day, when we're having a trend day, I want to give my runners a good chance to run. When we're in a chop day, I am going to eliminate runners. We're just going to take our full profit at 30 ticks and be done. Look for another entry. That is definitely something I'm going to implement. I think will really help. Obviously, only doing runners if I'm trading with the trend. If I, for some stupid reason, trade against the trend, then I do not want to look for runners. All right. Is this as big of a pullback we're going to see? Sorry. Thank you, patient trader. Oh dear. I was talking to myself probably 5 minutes there. New high is 15,290. Like I said, this 15,315 is really the next area that I have. There's some resistance here, but 15,315 is kind of what the next. Oh, it hurts my soul. I mean, go long. Definitely not going short. Definitely not going short, but I don't want to go long right now. Just, I was hoping for more of a pullback. I was hoping we get a little more of a pullback than this. Right here was probably the best entry right here. Entering right here at like 15,260. Obviously, easier said than done. Oh, Chicago PMI, you're right. I have that as a pretty low, like a blue on the movement scale, but yeah, I guess we'll see. Just keep going higher. Okay, this obviously 15,300 is going to be a round number. That's always important. And we just rip right through it. Like it was nothing. Like a knife through butter. Wow. Market. Market, what are you doing? You're going without me. Oh, the FOMO is real. Okay, really patient. Okay, good to know. Oh, man. The FOMO is real. Ay, 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 ay. Man. Here we go to 15,315. Kind of where I had it marked. See if we reject off of that. Wow, we did. Now, how much will it pull back, or is this even a pullback? Nope, it's not a pullback, folks. Give me a pullback, okay? Come on. Okay, okay, now we're getting at least a little bit of a pullback here. I mean, it hit that 315 to the T and pull back. Crazy, man. Now, where to enter? This is where I always feel like I enter a little bit too early and then I get stopped out. So I'm trying to be patient, wait for another entry. But does scare me. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I need to take a I need to take a breather. I'm afraid this is man, this is frustrating though, I'll be honest. And let's see, this 315 rips through it. And there she goes. I had one option. I had one opportunity there to enter. One opportunity, and I was too slow. Of course, the one time where we do not get this little fake out on a pull, I've had it so many times where we get this kind of fake, and I'm trying to be patient and wait for a second entry here. But this time it didn't. Just rip right up. You got that dip. Nice, Jen. Nice. You almost had to do a market order on that one to get filled. That was fast. Yeah, it is design. And I agree. Like, there's definitely a big chance that we have a gap and go, but I would much rather watch. Like, again, it sucks missing this move, but I would rather watch the move, wait till we get a nice pullback, because there's just too many times that it doesn't work. But obviously today, I wish I would have. Are you kidding, James? Wow. Oh, okay. I am what I am. Yeah, green is green, but I was too slow. I was waiting, hoping we'd pull back again and test it and then go. And me waiting for that cost me. Oh, that now see that type of price action like that? That was a sweeping sell right there. Can we get a little more of a pullback here? It's always all right. All right. This time I wasn't patient. Now I'll probably pay the price, but we're gonna. I'm gonna be very, very disappointed if this rips against me now. It might. It actually might. Come on, rip this thing. I don't like it. All right, now I like it. Let's go. All right, let's go. All right. We're going to have our profit. We're going to have our stop right here. We're going to try and get this runner going. See if we can't get a runner going. And the reason I'm okay getting a runner going today is this is obviously in an uptrend. We might get stopped out, but I want to give it a chance. I want to give this runner a chance. I don't like this right here, though, but gotta be patient. We gotta be patient, folks. Come on, market. This is the one time that you're not gonna keep going, okay? Really? I must have like the worst timing in trading. I just have the worst timing. Come on, rip this thing. Rip it. No, rip it up, not down. Unbelievable. I don't know what to do there. I don't know. I just don't know what to do there. It's still a positive trade. It's still a positive trade. I'm not disappointed. I'm just okay, hang on. This is so hard to pull the trigger here. I'm gonna wait. We are gonna wait. I just feel like we are due for a bigger pullback. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, exactly, Doc Trades. It is. Like these kind of trend days when we just go, the worst or the hardest days to trade for me, man, this is, oh. This is painful. Yeah, sellers are just not even having a chance. But now is it gonna break above? Yeah, I just realized the problem. This is kind of funny, but not really. My trade copier wasn't turned on. Oh dear. Like, so that trade, we actually only traded the valuation accounts. That was it. All right, now we're getting a pullback. I completely forgot to make sure that my trade copier, everything was set up correctly this morning. We are doing that now. All right, now everything should be good to go. I guess that's the problem when you don't look at, you can't see your profit and loss anymore. I should have double checked that before I went live. Usually I always check that before I go live and forgot about it this morning. Oh well. Oh, nice one, Steve. Everything's easy for you, Steve. Not here. We struggle. We like an uphill battle. We like it when it's hard. And here we go. I was not paying attention on this little pullback. Can we get to new highs? Yep, there she blows. It's gonna do it. I can feel it. Or maybe. Yeah, when is the real question? But I feel like everyone waiting for a pullback, like, is also sometimes when it just keeps ripping higher. Like, I'm okay with this move we made though. We got to our first profit target. I mean, now we're kind of struggling to make highs again here. So we'll wait a little bit here. There's no need to get crazy. But today was definitely a gap and go. It was not a gap fill. It was a gap and go. Gap and rip. Gap and rip it. Oh. But now, I don't know. This is feeling a little bit heavy all of a sudden. Seeing some sellers come in here. But they just don't seem to have a chance. Every time you think they have a chance, they get just ripped. See if they can hold up. See if these bulls can push it to new highs. They're trying. And I bet here we go. We're going to, oh, nope. Keep trying and failing. Man, you think if we keep failing here, eventually this thing is going to rip to the downside. If we keep failing. We wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. Any other news coming out today? 10:30, we have Canadian news coming out, Business Outlook survey. I don't know that that's going to move anything, but hey, short off the 4 hour. Oh, wow. Good luck, Cartier. Good luck. You got more nerve than I do. Let's see if this thing can. It just doesn't feel like it even has the option of going down. It's like it's not possible. But we shall wait and see. Could be, Steve. Could be. It is tempting here just to buy the bottom of this kind of range right here at the bottom of this range and just buy right here. It is tempting. And there's the breakout. There we go. Are we going to make new highs? It's trying and failing. Wow. The bears are definitely coming out of the woodwork here. They're just not having any success. We did not make a new high on that move. It was close, but we didn't make a new high. But we might do it right here. Oh, there she blows. New highs. New highs, but pulling back almost immediately. You don't think we're getting back to 15,293, which would be right here. We might not. We might not. Hey, Apex Features Trader. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing this morning? How we doing on this fine morning? I mean, it is definitely struggling a little bit here to break out. But every time it's making lower high, or higher lows. Now we break out. Now see how much we rip this. Thing might rip for a while. If the shorts start covering right here, shorts got trapped here, this thing could rip. Here we go, boys. Market said, you want a short? Hold my beer. 15,400 could happen. Could happen. Now we're pulling back again, though. What's ES looking like? I almost can't see it. It's going up so fast, or it's going up. Man, just buying off of this 21 EMA this morning would have been a great play. Would have been great. I did go long earlier, Steve. That's not fair. I did. I forgot to turn on my trade copier. So, and that's not my fault. I just forgot. So if I forget, it's not my fault. Okay? No, it was my fault, but I'm not going to admit it. All right. We're back. ES. Okay, NQ pulling back a little bit here. Oh boy, here's the first kind of our first actual pullback, I would say. Now the question is, do you just buy this? Do you just buy everything? Really? It's just gonna do that right away? Waiting for that fake out. Yep. I knew it. I knew that was I knew it. I didn't really know it, but I was right. Trade crude. Oh man. Okay. We're gonna have her stop right here. We're gonna give this plenty of room. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna try and get a runner going again. We're gonna keep her stop below this. And we're gonna see if we can't get a runner going. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. You know what? I need to go. Come on, market. You keep letting me down. I keep giving you a fair chance. Okay, never mind. I'm going to go. This is a great Walmart trade. We're going to leave everything the way it is. We're going to get a nice runner going. I'm going to go grab me something to eat. And I'm going to come back. We're going to be at new highs. And life is going to be great. Everybody agree? The chair has proven that it can trade. So I feel confident. I'll be right back. Oh boy. All right, how much patience do we... Man, this is... All right, we're going to trail our stop pretty tight here. 100 ticks isn't a bad trade. All right. I'm happy with that. Nice runner. Good job, Chair. The Chair, again, has proven to be a better trader than I am from now on. It's so weird not being able to see my profit and loss, I'll be honest. It's so weird. I have no idea. It's so weird. Okay, market, you're proving me wrong. No, this is, I'm not even sad. We're totally happy. It's going to 15,400. What? He's going to 15,400. You might be right. I'll be a little bit sad if it just goes straight up. We can always re-enter. Oh, is that right, James? If that's the case, we need you to go to breakfast a little bit more often. If that's the case, what's wrong? Sometimes my phone shows on 0%. It's so dumb. You want to say hi? What? Kevin wants to say hi. Do you want me just to charge it or what? I can just charge it right here. I'll bring it when it's full. Sounds great. I'll have them ready, Steve. I'll have them ready. All right, let's see. This might be another pullback here. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this pullback. I would have gotten out here on the runner for sure, for sure. Wow, what a crazy move. Crazy market this morning. We had this move here, which we missed out, but at least we caught some of this move. Kevin, yeah, that's my son. Or not. This thing is crazy. I mean, look at these wicks. Everything is just getting bought up. Bought up. Like right here, all these wicks, it's just getting bought up. Everything. Definitely might be a day where you just enter long and go to Walmart. The Walmart strategy might be the best play today. ES kind of at resistance here, but it doesn't matter. It only goes up. NQ here at resistance, or at least what I have drawn as resistance. But we're just going up, folks. Wow. And it just keeps going. Unbelievable. 15,370. Here we go. 15,400 is just around the corner. Yeah, I was a little bit early out on that one too, and micro NQ, but I'm okay with it. No one, it's easy to look and say, oh, I'm going to catch all of the move. If we catch 2/3 of a move, that's great. But man, this is wow. Look at it. As soon as it sells off, like, see how fast that gets bought up? It's like immediate. It's like the bulls are like that. You can't even have a red candle allowed. Red candles aren't even allowed today. Red candles are not allowed. I mean, this is tempting here just to go long on any kind of short pullback, but I don't want to do that. It's too it can really mess with your psyche once you get stopped out, and then it goes up without you, and I'm not interested in that. All right, now we're getting a pullback, a little bit more of a pullback finally. Okay, now the question is, how much of a pullback are we getting here? Well, pretty healthy pullback we're seeing here finally. Okay. All right, this is our first really significant pullback here. I want to be careful here. These kind of pullbacks, I usually want to give it, see if it takes a, it seldom just goes straight up. Usually I have a little, like a second entry opportunity here. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. Okay, it's right at this EMA. See if this will hold. What's ES doing? Ooh, ES definitely pulling back quite a bit here. What is beeping? Something beeping. All right. We figured out what that was. All right. Let's be patient here. Let's be patient. Hey, take care, Steve. We don't want to get banned from that, Steve. Can't have that. Okay. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy on this first green candle. I think we might test lows again before I go in just blindly. After such a big move, I'm just a little hesitant. I'm fine just waiting. Waiting and watching. If it rips, it rips. And there it might go. Or not. Oh, Lewis, let's go. One challenge pass, one fail, but hey, you'll take that. Hey, thank you, patient trader. Oh, you did catch 40 points on that? Yeah, I think I caught about 33 points on that. So awesome, trader, patient trader. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, kind of curious what we do here. Feels like it wants to take it higher again, but a little bit of hesitation here. I am totally content just waiting on this move. All right, is he going to try and break out here? It's just not feeling Nicely done, design. keep making these higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low. That was always a good sign. All right, is this gonna hold? Again, getting bought up here. Wow, this is the 15-minute. Fifteen-minute looks crazy. This is the 60-minute. This is the 60-minute, and this is showing the gaps. This gap up is one of the bigger gaps up we've had since literally, I don't know when the last time we had a 150-point gap up. Maybe right here. But man, that's crazy. Crazy. It was a gap and go this morning. Now the price action's just kind of stalled. All right, I like that breakout. Stop is right below this low, and we're going to have our take profit right here. Hopefully this wasn't a fake breakout. We're only in on one contract here. Wait, why is my take profit not at 30 ticks? Come on. Don't. Let's give it a little bit of room. Should have just taken my profit at 30 ticks. Let's wait. All right, I like this. There we go. I was waiting for a breakout, and I got a good entry, actually. Got a good fill. I got a good fill on that one. We'll take 35 ticks. Look for the next entry. On to the next one. Double top ES, really? Ooh, I see that. It failed to make new highs. So that's always very important on these big trendy days. When we fail to make new highs, I'm assuming NQ's pulling back quite a bit now. Yep. Very happy taking my profit right there. Let's go. Let's go. It is very nice to see some green. 100% agree. Let's just keep it up. Let's keep it up. Hey, this is the first day I'm not looking at my profit and loss. I can't see my profit and loss. I don't even know how much I'm up today. I'm going to guess I'm up like the funded accounts. Just trying to add it up in my mind. $70 maybe? It's kind of fun actually. I actually like it. It helps me focus more on the price action and not my profit and loss. I mean, that sounds pretty simple. Yeah, patient trader. Yep, it was the critics, patient trader. It was yesterday people telling me what I did wrong. I absorbed all that information, and now I'm a completely different trader, and it's because of people telling me how to trade yesterday why I am trading better today. So I'm very thankful for those that told me how to trade yesterday. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate everybody. You are the reason. On it. You know what's funny? There's people that are like, "Yep, yep." They believe that. Honestly, yesterday when I went back and looked at, wow, look at this pullback. We're seeing way bigger pullback here. Feeling very thankful to get out right there. Very thankful to get out there. I mean, I felt pretty confident once we just do these higher low, higher low, higher low, and we have these long wicks. Like, that is one of my favorite setups on a breakout when we're in a nice uptrend where when I have to learn not to take that trade, because I took a very similar trade like this yesterday. I took a very similar trade like this yesterday, and it was a fake out and it ripped my face off. But the key is, I think I can't take these kind of trades when we're in a rangy day. When we're in a clear uptrend day, these are great trades to take, but I have to learn not to take those trades when we're trading in this kind of choppy range or just very violent price action even. Thank you, patient trader. I appreciate you. Okay, now here we kind of have another. This always makes me nervous. So, like, I don't really want to look at another long here. I really don't. We failed to make new highs. And now we're selling them back again. I'm just not interested. Here we go. We could be in for a lot deeper pullback here. I always think it's helpful to have these. When on days like today, I like having my Fibonacci levels. I find it interesting. I don't trade off of them directly, but I find them interesting to look at. It's definitely feeling a little bit heavy now. This is getting a little more pullback here. The bears want a little part of this action. No, kid poker. Whoa, 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 whoa. Everybody hold on. Kid poker, time out. Time out. Kid poker, I'm talking to you. Here's what I want you to do. You just need to take a 15-minute break. And then after the 15 minutes, you can trade however you want to. But for 15 minutes, you cannot trade. You have to walk away for 15 minutes only. 15 minutes only. Once 15 minutes is up and you still want to go for it, you can. But 15 minutes. Oh, wow. This is tempting a little bit. This is tempting to get long here. I'm not going to, though. Not going to do it. It's fine if it rips up. We're going to watch. We'll get another entry. Just skeptical. Oh, growing man. Wait, I remember you had said earlier that you were going to go long and walk away. Let's go. Growing meds with the dub. Wow. Wow. That's wow. Nicely done, growing meds. You learned the inverse TBM strat. Please don't tell me that. I mean, if people went short up here, I guess that would be a pretty nice trade. But wow, now we just ripped right through this EMA. It might have been. I mean, yeah, right now this looks like it would have been a nice entry on a long, but like I said, we're happy watching this move. We are happy. Sorry, I'm just reading this email. Very interesting email. Oh man. Tell you what, I'm getting like all these promotional emails, people wanting to they must not listen to my stream. People trying to get me to promote trading bots and oh, ain't happening. All right. Now we're getting this pullback. This is what I like. This is kind of where I get trapped a lot of times, and I need to just stay out of this price action because this is tempting to go short, and it's also as tempting to go long. And I don't like we again failed to make a new high, so this kind of looks like we're starting a channel down. But it's so easy to get trapped in these moves because this can just rip up higher right now and then I'll be trapped. And I just need to learn not to take those trades. There's no need for it. No need. You're trapped. Oh. All right, now it looks like, yeah, is this just going to bounce and try and rip up? We also could be entering kind of a sideways choppy action here as well. Just another reason not to be looking to enter here. Let's look at ES. ES making a little bit more of a pullback almost. ES can really just like double top to the tick. And literally sold off over 10 points. Very nice. Or 10, pretty much 10 points. And here we go. Might try to rip it up. Oh, really, Kid Poker? Just, oh, I feel bad for you, man. One eval that's $100 away from profit, or 2 fresh evals uncompleted. I mean, I'd rather have one eval that's $100 away. Called my daughter and had her go to the desk and close it for you. That's awesome, growing meds. So you did the Walmart strategy, but you didn't quite do the Walmart strategy. You had a backup plan. 13 evals, 1 PA. Wow, that's awesome. That's hilarious. Hey, I need you to go press this button. I'm sure it would have been hilarious if, she's like, you're supposed to close the close button, and accidentally we doubled down. Whoops. It'll be all right. It actually kind of gave me an idea. I need to train my son, and I need to give him some education on, just in case I am doing a Walmart trade, I need to show him how to click the close button. It's not a terrible idea to give him some training. Quick question: if you blow your account during a trade, does your trade get closed automatically? Yes, it does. Yep, Sunset. They will all of a sudden they'll just say, I'm not even sure what it says, but yeah, you'll be closed automatically. No, good luck, Kid Poker. Hey, where are you long or short, Kid Poker? Maybe we can all cheer the right direction. Maybe I can do my line strategy, and maybe we can get this thing turned around. But yeah, right now we're definitely in a consolidation chop fest right here. No trading allowed. None. All right, we made new lows. Made new lows here, and now selling through. This is the, oh man, this makes me, sometimes not taking a trade is like, feels as good as winning a trade when you actually are patient and you don't take a setup and it turns out it would have stopped you out. It's like a mental capacity. Your mental tank gets filled up. I'm sorry, Kid Poker. I was hoping you were short. I was hoping you were short. Oh, sorry, Poker. I know how it feels. I know how it feels. I know you were. I think it was it 2 days ago when you had that really bad loss, and that kind of put you behind the 8 ball. But yeah, that's unfortunate. I wish there was something I could do to help. And a bounce. This is why I find the Fibonacci's always interesting, because look at where we bounce. I mean, to the T right off of this 38.2% retracement. I don't trade off of this, but I find it interesting, and I know people do use it. But we're still in a downtrend. The trend is definitely broken to the upside in the short time frame. Yeah, Fibonacci, it definitely can work. Now it goes up. You know what, Kid Poker, don't even watch. I know exactly how you feel. It's not cool, man. Annis, if you can add traduction, please. I'm not sure what you mean, Annis. I'm not sure what you mean. We came right up to this EMA. Now, curious if we get past that. Yeah, it is still intact. I'm saying like short term, like on this short term, or I would look at it. It's like this is since we opened. I'm just looking at it this way. Like we were in a really. This is what I would look at. Like this is the channel we were in this morning. Now overall, we're still in a uptrend, but short term, short term might be concerned about going long. That's my only thought. Eric, I mean, it all depends. How many are you only wanting to focus on getting one PA account? Which, if you're just starting out, that's what I would recommend. Just focus on one PA account. Um, but how many? I mean, I'm not sure. I know when I first started out, there was a 80% sale. And I think I bought 5 accounts in the beginning to try, and I ended up blowing all 5 accounts. I didn't get one to the funded status on right when I started. I think I went through 10 accounts until I finally got one to the funded status. Yeah, 315. Yeah, right here. Just curious if we push above this EMA, kind of have this trend line down right now, kind of a channel to the downside. What's ES looking like? Wow, ES made a nice move here right off this. It is going higher. It's tempting here to go long, but I just don't want to go long right here at the top of this channel. Like, that's the channel that I see. I don't always draw my channels. I just see it with my eyes and I don't draw it. But that's always what I'm looking at. Sometimes I'm too lazy to draw the channels. But yeah, dude, I don't want to, yeah. Whatever you're comfortable with, Eric. The other thing I would do, Eric, that I would really recommend is set a budget for yourself. For example, if you have a goal of getting one funded account, set a budget for what you're willing to spend to get that one account. Because it's very easy to, all of a sudden you have 20 eval accounts that you've gone through and you didn't really have intention. Or I find that helpful to have a budget, which for me, I didn't have a budget in the beginning, but then at the end, when I was committed, kind of when I made the decision that, hey, I'm going to get 20 funded accounts. It was around New Year's this year when I was like, okay, I'm going for the 20 funded accounts. I created a budget for that. And yeah, I stuck to that budget, and it kind of helps you so you don't all of a sudden you look back and you've blown 300 eval accounts or anything crazy like that. So I would definitely recommend that. All right, we're bouncing right off this trend line. Like paper, clockwork right here. Oh, wow, and there it goes. Yeah, July 6th, the 90% sale is good till July 6th, which is next Thursday. What I'm looking for? I mean, I trade multiple different kinds of strategies. For example, this trade here, I don't know, this trade here was kind of a breakout strategy. I was waiting, kind of had a consolidation as soon as we broke out here to go long right there. But ideally, my preference is to, when we have a nice trend, wait for pullbacks and enter on the pullbacks to follow the trend. Those have been the most beneficial or most success, I guess, kind of my go-to. But I have in the past traded. Oh, Jerry, let's go. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. 90% off is crazy. It is. I agree. Thank you, Jerry. I appreciate that. Good luck. Good luck as well. Let's crank those into PA accounts. I know you can do it. But yeah, one trade that I haven't, this has just never really been part of my arsenal. But me reviewing my charts, I see this a lot. And maybe I can implement a strategy for this, but basically just trading my trend lines, my support and resistance. I see that I would have some nice trades based off of those support and resistance, but I don't know why. It's I have a hard time taking some of those trades to trust it because I haven't really truly back tested it to know if they work. Because I feel like primarily you only see the ones that would work, and I would need to actually back test it before I would really feel comfortable doing it. Why use so many instead of one larger account? Eddie, yeah. So basically, Eddie, it gives you a lot more leverage. So, for example, if I have 20 funded accounts that with the 50K accounts, that's what, $1 million in funded accounts, or what, I mean, it's technically not funded, but that basically gives me $50,000 of drawdown. That's the important number to remember. not the $1 million funded. The $1 million funded is just kind of a fancy number. It really doesn't mean anything. What means something is there's $2,500 in drawdown per account. So there's a $50,000 in drawdown available. And I only need to get to, my profit threshold is similar. If I would get three $300,000 accounts, which is close to $1 million, that drawdown would only be it's 7,500 per. So that would be like less than half the drawdown available than I would have if I have 20 50K accounts. So it's basically about your drawdown. It allows you basically better bang for your buck, I would say. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, no problem, Eddie. You bought an Apex Tradable account eval just to trade from my phone up. Nice, Apex. Those are always the ones that are easy to trade when you just kind of buy them for fun. Then it's like, wait a second. Now what am I going to do? That's a good idea, patient trader. That's a good idea. Kind of use my support and resistance once I've entered. Yeah, that's actually great. That's a good idea. That would kind of give me a confidence of kind of testing those out in a way without actually using them as entries, but using them for my stop and take profit. I like that. I like that. That would have worked on this one. Take profit right here. We could have got quite a bit more points out of that. And my stop below here would obviously have worked. I think my stop was right below here, but I like it. I like it. If it's possible. Obviously, sometimes it's not going to be possible as far as my stop loss, but maybe my take profit. That'll definitely challenge me to be patient with my when I'm in profit. Why is it so hard, or why is it harder? At least it is for me. Why is it harder when you're in profit to keep being patient and to keep in the trade, to stay in the trade when you're in profit than it is when you're in a loss? Like, or I find that, like, if I'm in a loss, if my stop loss is, right here and the trade starts going against me, it's way easier to just keep my stop loss right there. And if it gets hit, it gets hit, whatever. We move on. But when I have my profit target, set 70, 80, 100 ticks away, and we get to 60 ticks in profit, and we start pulling back just slightly, it's like, oh dear. Like, it immediately goes through my mind that, oh dear, we're going to go all the way back down, and I'm going to leave all this money on the table. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's greed or fear, TJ. That's kind of the where I'm like, is it greed? I don't think it's greed. I think it's fear. I think fear is what's making that decision. That fear of leaving, or yeah. Yeah, I think fear has a more powerful grasp on your brain than greed does, at least for me. I think it can vary. I think it can vary between traders, that, and a lot of times I've noticed that traders that struggle with fear, they will have their profit target at 100 ticks, and they'll get up to 90 ticks and they still won't take profit, even if it starts going against them. And that trade can go all the way back down and hit their break even, or even worse. That's more likely to happen with people that struggle with the greed. For me, that has never been an issue. Like, never. I can't ever remember being in a trade and being up 900 ticks or 100 ticks or 70, 80 ticks and allowing it to go all the way back down to my break even. Like, that has never been the case. So Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a little of both. Some people struggle more with greed. Some people struggle more with fear. And the people that struggle with fear have a harder time letting their winners run. And that's where I'm at. Yeah, that's a good way to put it as well, patient trader. Kimster, no, I have not. Nope. We are on, that's our goal. We're trying to get there. Yeah, I see you, Steve. Aren't you supposed to be listening to something, Steve? You're going to get punished. Your wife is going to take, you're going to get punished. Are you sure? Or maybe that's over. I won't tell if you won't. People hate being wrong and they hate losing money. That is very true. Those two things people do not like. Somewhere I was reading about I was reading about psychology. And someone had in this was based on psychology of trading, the psychological aspect of it, and someone was comparing it to, like, they were asking the question of how do you feel when someone like rips you off or like basically steals your money. And they were saying that the way that you feel if someone would steal your money is similar to the same feeling when you lose money in the markets. I'm like, I guess I don't know. I could be. But we have a very passionate, like we become very passionate if someone takes our money when we feel it wasn't justified, or when someone rips us off or something like that. It's like, you know, that kind of immediate response of, I'm not going to let you get away with that. And that's kind of the emotions that we fight against when we trade and we're in profit or we're in a loss, similar. And it's like, it triggers that same emotion, and it's not, it can be a bad thing. Hey, good luck, Neo. Good luck. You got this. Got Apex payout? Oh, I'm sure there have. Yes. Jin, there's a Apex paid out almost 4 million last month. But if you just want to talk to actual people that have had a payout, then I'm sure there's quite a bit in this chat that have gotten payout. Okay, what's this market gonna do? This is definitely not, I'm not looking to enter anything here. This is just consolidating. And I still think I would much rather be long than short. Maybe we could take a tester on this, but I'm okay waiting. I'm okay being patient here. It's just been consolidating right for quite some time. This might be the breakout it was looking for. Oh, good luck. Good luck, Kid Poker. It's looking good. It's looking good. The longs are looking good right here. I'm not gonna chase this though. We're gonna watch it. We're just gonna watch and cheer for those long. You were right, Danky. You were right. Yeah, it is design. Here we go. Uh-oh. Gotta keep going, buddy. Nice, Tito. Nice, Anna. If you're long, let's go. Nice, Kid Poker. Let's keep going up. Keep ripping up here. Come on, let's go. Rip it up. What's ES doing? Ooh, ES is made a lot bigger move here. Wow. ES bumping its head here in this resistance 44.85. This thing needs to rip through this 15.360. It might pull back a little bit here and then keep going. We have faith. We have faith. Oh no, Anna. Oh, well, let's see if we can rip this thing up again. No, no. Maybe, maybe, maybe. All right. They're still in it. Oh, this is... kind of interesting price action here. See if we can get this thing above 355 right now. All right, there we go. Keep it pushing. I'm gonna cheer this thing higher. For you, Kid Poker, and Anna, and Tito, and Neo. Even though I'm not in it. It's tempting here. I'm just gonna wait. Rip it. Yeah, pump it up. Let's go. It's just feeling a little bit more sluggish than it. Yeah, there we go. Now maybe. Ooh, that was nice. Now let's keep it going. Come on. Rip it. Rip this thing higher. There you go. You can do it. You can do it. Go. No, come on. You can do it. I believe. I think it helps if we cheer. I mean, I think it helps. Go. Go. Come on, don't be a coward. Don't be a coward. It's okay. It just wants to rest a little bit. Yeah, I need to get out my pom-poms. You will get trapped like us. Oh. Hey, now market, don't be like that. Well, market, this thing is being difficult for you guys. Oh, wow, keep poker, wow. Glasses needed to be cleaned. Oh. All right, market. I gave you enough time. It is time to go up now. Enough of this shenanigans. Need to rip it right here. And I mean rip it higher. Come on, man. Mara, come on here, market. This is not what you're supposed to do. You're just being difficult. There we go, market. There we go. Now keep ripping it. You can do it. Come on. Wow. It's not interested. Hello. Hello, Negrin. How we doing? Ah. Well, those long. I mean, I don't know where your stop is. I guess if you're below here, you're still good. As long as we stay above this 15,324, then you have reason to believe that this thing can rip back up. Market definitely taking a little bit of a rest after that big move up. But we could have one big green boner candle here. All right, here we go. It's trying. Not green enough. Come on, man. This thing is... It's putting in a little bit of effort, but I've seen better. I have seen better. Man, this is just man, this market is very ugh right now. I will say I am very thankful I'm not in a trade. I'm very thankful I'm not in a trade. Hey, Seggy. Oh wow, that's awesome. that is that is awesome, Seggy. Let's go. Feels bad, kid poker. Feels bad. This is just all right. Will we bounce? Will we bounce off this bottom? That is the question. If we don't, okay, here we got the bounce. Bounce right off the low. See what happens here. Oh no. Do we get a bounce in time poker? Bulls really need to hold this. Bulls really need to hold this 15,325. Uh-oh. And we had a little bit of a fake out to the just made new lows, and now see if it rips higher. Wouldn't that be typical? I'm very happy to be watching this. I'm very happy. This could be a pretty easy bull trap here. And down we go. Down, down, down. Might get a bounce here on this 316, I guess. Or not. Down we go. Oof. Oof. Eddie, no, I disagree. I don't want people to even be thinking about taking my trades. I'm fine if they want to learn from my people want to learn from my failures, I am fine with that, but please do not copy my trades. Or is that not what you mean, Eddie? Okay, getting a bounce here. See how much of a bounce we get. Starting to become tempting here to short. Starting to become tempting here to look for shorts instead of longs. I don't really trust doing that either, which is why we will just wait. Believe me, nobody's copying me. Okay, that's fair. No, Eddie, I get it. No, I don't mind the other people posting their trades. I'm fine with that. I'm totally fine with it because someone else might learn from it. And the main thing I don't like is when people tell me how I should trade. That triggers me a little bit. Because I, of course, will not take trades from chat. I forgot to put in that disclaimer. I forgot. I was going to do a disclaimer at the top of my channel. And how was I going to say? I was going to say, I will not take trades from chat. Or something. I need a disclaimer. So people are not like, whoa, I told you to go long. Why didn't you go long? Huh? And they're shocked somehow. Okay, market. Are you just going to keep ripping this thing lower? It feels like it wants to do it. Trade's suggestions are acceptable. It will not be taken. I told you to take that triple send chat member to the deepest depth. I agree. I like that. Where will I fit that in my chart? I like that. Oh man. And this market seems weird. all of a sudden it just seems like the bulls kind of had their fun this morning, and now the bears are just kind of slowly grinding this down. But we haven't really got a nice rip higher on this move down. Everything's being sold. Every bounce gets sold back down. I'm still not trusting a short here. We will just wait and watch. Oh, I have this annoying fly in here again. Yeah, I don't even have a chat bot. I should probably look into that. I saw someone was, yeah, mentioning it about something about it. All right, see if we get a bounce here of this 316, 315 range. I don't know. Does not feel like it. Maybe. Oh, you did Alpine? Give me your thoughts. Oh, Jin, that's a great idea, actually. I've thought about that. Just do an eval account like one day of the week. Like maybe I'll pick a day where let me think. Maybe Mondays or Fridays I feel like would be a good day. I'll pick Monday or Fridays, and on those days chat is allowed to make the trades, and we'll trade an evaluation account. That would be entertaining. Which balance do I see a lot of balance? Which one do you see? I'm not sure what you mean. On right above me, right there. Yeah, those are all my accounts. Those are just the balances. Is working much better. Nice, nicely done. I am what I am. That would be fun, Cardia. I think it would be fun. I was trying to think how you could do it that it would be like entertaining but also kind of fair. Like would it like could I I'm trying to think. Would I just do a poll in the chat and long or short and whatever would win, that's what I would enter? But then where would my profit and stop loss be? I don't know. There's some things I need to work through. I need to work out a little bit here before I do that. But that would be fun, I think. It would kind of be a stress-free day for me. Like, hey, chat, the genius is in chat. It's all up to you. Honestly, it would be kind of embarrassing if all of those days we'd have like these enormous winning days. That would be kind of embarrassing. Maybe I shouldn't do it. Just kidding. I'll do it. How much I made today? Oh, man. I don't even know. 70. I actually just now looked at my profit and loss for the first time. $78 times 16 accounts. What? That's $1,200. And then the 3 eval accounts, I don't really count those because those are just evaluation accounts. Oh, man, we're down below 300 now. Crazy. On the P accounts, is there a the number of days you need to trade? Yes, Biz. You do need to trade 10 days, 10 trading days minimum. It doesn't show me the total of all accounts. No, it doesn't, Jin. Solid strategy, Utes. I mean, I'm surprised we haven't got more of a bounce here. Like, this is, yeah. I thought at one of these points we'd get a little bit more of a bounce here to try and. I mean, this was a big move this morning. This is where we opened. And 15,239, we went all the way up to 15,375, and now it seems like we cannot get a little rally going. All right, maybe we do it here. But wow. It's just these. Everything is just getting sold right here. Crazy. We're almost at that 61.8 retracement here. I don't know why I'm so tempted to go long here, but I am. The overall trend is still, I don't know that we would consider this trend intact. Yeah, it's probably a bad idea to go long here. Oh, my mouse is dying. Wow, is this actually gonna just make new lows again? Feels like it wants to. And there it goes. Right at this 61.8 now. All right. Maybe it'll go to VWAP. Maybe that's what it's looking for. Hmm. What are you talking about? Per payout request is per payout. Yeah, Scooter, that's part of the reason also I'm going to just be very patient. Don't want to give back. I'm a firm believer that if I see another really good setup that I like, then I want to take it. But if I don't like it, then I definitely don't want to be chasing anything. Yeah, I agree, patient trader, being that we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, literally 4 days that the market is really not open. It's open, but it's going to be very low volume. So, but right now, this is where every bounce is just being met with heavy selling. It's not like a huge amount of volume, but it's just consistently not getting a bounce. Hey, nicely done, Cartier. That's what matters. We can have 10 losers in a day, but if you have one really good trade, it'll make up for it. It's just a little bit odd that NQ, this kind of price action is a little bit odd. Like, we're not getting any bounce. It's just getting this kind of slow, methodical move down, which is kind of weird for NQ. Kind of weird. Feel like if we bounce, it's going to bounce hard. It's tempting. Man, this is tempting to get in this. All right, I'm going to use one. I'm going to go in with one contract here. I do like the bounce off of this. I am going to keep a pretty close eye on this. If I start to see it reverse, I'm going to kill it. So this is a little bit of a discretionary trade where if I do not like what I see, it's going to die. You need it to rip. Need this to really get going. Come on. See how it just keeps getting sold right back? Come on. All right, I'm going to have my take profit right here at the EMA. Not going to be greedy. What was that? I'm out. Like I said, if I don't like it, I'm out. I don't like that. Right up to the EMA, and then we could keep going higher here, but I do not like how that moved. And now it's selling down. We could still go up, but I'm not in the mood to hold through that. I'm just not. It's unfortunate I didn't just hit, barely hit, just didn't quite hit my profit target there. Very happy I got out on that one now. Very happy. Could still bounce back here, but a little bit of a intuition trade on that one. And intuition exit as well. Hey, Noel, how we doing? Hope all is well. Yeah, we're having a good day. Man, is this actually gonna make new lows here? Yeah, maybe not. I'm glad I'm out. What do you miss, Brandon? A big rally up this morning. One thing I thought about when I'm drawing my resistance lines, I should probably just start adding the resistance right at the even numbers like 15,300, 15,200, 15,100. I probably should. I don't right now. I'm looking more off of just prior price action when I put in my levels, but those whole numbers are always important. I feel like. Yeah, SP, that's kind of my point. Yeah. And you're right. I probably need to just start putting those levels in as well. Again, this is just struggling. Like, if this really was going to bounce, I feel like, my opinion, I feel like this would have bounced already. And the fact that we haven't makes, definitely makes me not want to be long. I need to use the restroom. Hey, and there's that bounce. It was a little bit early. There's that bounce. Can we get above this 316, this area right here? Very interesting. Nicely done, Zane. Nicely done. Hey, patient trader, nice done as well. Yeah, everyone that took this bounce, I mean, I felt pretty good about it originally, but this as soon as we touched this, kind of scared me away, and I wasn't willing to hold through much. I was fine at catching the move. It happened right here. If not, I'm fine watching and cheering. All right, let's see if we can rip above this 316. What's ES looking like? ES kind of made a double bottom here. Bounced right off this double bottom. ES making a nice move higher. Still in it. Nicely done, patient trader. Nicely done. Nice trade. That's awesome. Now it just needs to get above this 315 area right here. It needs to rip above this, and then I would have hope that we get, I don't know, maybe we go back to the highs. Who knows? Yeah, Zane. Exactly. And that's what I really like about going back and watching myself trade and my entries, my exits, and my thought process. It has really helped. It has really helped me pick out weaknesses on my mental struggles. Yeah, agreed, James. Yeah, and I see your comment. Sorry, Micro. Now I just see your comment, but yes, I go back and watch all my trades. Okay, here we go. Getting above this 316. Okay. Not just seeing an extremely rip up, but it's slowly making its way up, kind of like it did on the way down. Just slowly but surely. All right, this is a nice move. Let's see. All right, can we get a pullback? Hmm. All right, let's see if it can rip above this 15,325. Get over this 15,330 as well. Okay, patient trader. I just want a little pullback. It won't, I promise it won't be much. Just something I can hop aboard this train and then we'll go to 50. If that's cool. If that's cool. Wow, Neo, thank you. Yes, you can, Neo. I don't think they become active on those until like Sunday night, I believe, Neo, but yes, you can. It works during the weekend as well. You're cool, Zane. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at this 90 when we ripped up here. Definitely could have been a little bit more patient here, but I am totally okay getting out of this trade. when I saw this price action, I'm okay with that. Now I don't like this. I don't like this. I will wait. Because we're still, like I was drawing here, like we're still in this channel down. And if oh wow, now we're really selling here. Is this just a healthy pullback? We're going higher, or it could be. It could just be a quick little pullback and what the bulls need to rip higher, but that makes me nervous to enter on a pullback. Flat. Yeah, I don't blame you on that move down. I do not blame anyone for taking their profit there. But it was still a nice trade. Nice trade, guys. Nice trade. That's always unfortunate when it does this big, like, took literally 15 minutes to get to that profit in a matter of 30 seconds. It takes it back. Very curious to see if this is going to make another. I assume this is going to make another attempt to get above this trend line, and if it fails, then we might be looking at the lows again. Okay, here we go. Ripping straight back up. Very interesting. Nicely done, patient trader. Nicely done. Guess it was just a pullback. Man, that's a pretty healthy, pretty wicked pullback, though. Man, it's already 12 o'clock. Whew. Time is blown this morning. I thought it might be 10, 30, 11 o'clock. Hey, take care, Jen. Take care. Excuse me. All right. Oh dear. We did try to test it. This is very tempting to short this. Even though I'm not going to do it. Just because I'm not. Feel like it's kind of a 50-50. And we might consolidate in this area for a while. Okay. Mm-hmm. JJ, no, they won't disappear. Um, Basically, the only thing would be you obviously have 30 days until they renew automatically. Now, you can cancel them at any point, but yeah, that is true. 300. Oh, if you get 20. Right, right. Yeah, true. Basically, we kind of, I mean, that is kind of what I did when I was doing my 20 funded accounts. When the 90% sale came, I stocked up on them and I ended up actually not using all of them. Um, so yeah, but it's still, yeah, it's just hard to tell. You don't know if Apex is going to have another 80% sale in 2 weeks, or you would assume that they have the sales pretty often. Um, so usually I feel pretty safe waiting, but then you never know. It's just hard to sell. But yeah, I agree, Zane. Man, this price action is pretty yeah, it is. Almost wondering if most of the moves for today have been done. And yeah, I don't know. Oh no, JJ, I'm sorry. Ugh, that sucks. Yeah, that's kind of the thing, and that's kind of where I was at, JJ. For $16, I mean, the thing is, it doesn't sound like that much difference between 80% off and 90% off, but it is literally half the price of 80% off. Know what I mean? So that's kind of what I was looking at. And I was like, Anyway, but no, to each his own, make your own judgment based off your own budget. And yeah. My only thing I would say, JJ, and this is from experience, this is from me saying this because I did this. If you do that, make a promise to yourself that you will take these accounts seriously, because that is sometimes the problem with these. For $16 you can get a 50K account. People are like more of just gonna YOLO it. And I mean, I did that, and it's not healthy and it's not helpful. So just, if you do that, just make sure that you take the accounts seriously and not just be YOLOing those accounts, where even if you do, even if you do pass them, you didn't learn anything from doing it that way. So that would be my biggest just advice. And I feel like that definitely happens a lot when these 90% sales come around, and it's just very tempting to I mean, I even kind of do it where it's like, it's only $16. I mean, if you're still trading your system and trading your strategy, you know, that's fine, I think. But just, you know, going 10 contracts and hoping for it'll hit your profit target for that 3K threshold isn't going to help anyone except Apex. All right, we have broken out again. See if this thing can push above this 15,325. I mean, it does feel like it. I mean, it tried to sell off and it's just slowly grinding back up. Why I only have 16? I lost a couple. Rest in peace. Moment of silence. But yeah, we lost a couple accounts. Yeah, exactly, Micro. Yeah, that's true. That's very true, patient trader. Very true. Yes. I think I had 18 a week ago, no limits, I believe. But I lost last Friday. We blew 3 accounts. Yep. Adios. They gone. Unfortunately. But I'm going to say one thing. I have made this commitment that if I get back to 20 funded accounts, that's it. I'm not going to be adding any more if I lose some. If that makes any sense. Like if I get basically these 3 that I still have, I'm trading 3 evals right now. If those 3 pass, I'll have 20 again. Because I already have 1 account that is passed. I just need to trade a couple more days. Then I would have 20 again. After that, I'm not going to be adding any more PA accounts if I blow them. We're basically going to either take this train to the station or we're going to get derailed. But either way, it's either going to be a complete reset or we're going to get to payout. It's going to be one or the other. So I don't want to get in the habit of if I lose 1 account or 2 accounts, and then I add those back on, and I just don't want to get into that habit. So just FYI. All right, we are just slowly grinding higher. This price action feels like it's after hours. And it might be, it could very well be that most people worked until lunch today, traded until lunch, and now they're off to the golf course and a long weekend. We might not see much action this afternoon. I'm actually not sure that I'm going to be streaming. I do have some things I need to do to prepare. We have something going on tonight. I do have to do a couple things, and I'm in the green, so I'm like, I don't want to I don't want to give anything back either. So might look to end the stream a little bit early today. Looking at prices for trade copiers. Really, Bobby? I was just checking that. I thought it was 150. Do I have 40? No, Bobby. I need to get 20 accounts with Elite Trader funding now. And then I'll have 40 accounts. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that. Well, yeah, I'm not going to do that. Not going to do that. The only way I would actually consider doing that is if I got these accounts to pay out and I was growing the balance on these, then is when I might do the Alpine trader strategy. Hey, talking about him, there he is. Then I would Then I would probably go with Quant Tower, and that would be insane. So we're not even going to talk about that. Okay, 150 for one machine. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, it is a mess, Alpine. Huh? Sorry. This morning I was lucky enough this morning, caught a couple really nice moves when we had this nice trend, and I'm very, very thankful I didn't get stuck in this choppiness. Um there was multiple opportunities here to get faked out to the long side, and I'm very thankful I didn't. I just was sitting on my hands. Hey, Prosperity, how we doing today? How was your morning? Is the copy the same from Apex? It isn't the same thing. No, it does look very similar. Um, but I will say I would probably recommend Replicanto over Apex, because Replicanto does a better job of keeping that trade copier up to date. There is not much difference, and me personally, I haven't really had any issues with it. I haven't had any issues with Apex Trade Copier, but there were here about a month ago. I wasn't trading on that specific day, but they had issues with the trade copier from Apex, so take that for what it's worth. But there you go. Dave, whose code is that? Uh, is that Bye Bye Money's code for 20% off? Don't use that code. Hang on. Alpine Trader, share your code. I know you have a code for Replicon too. I would much rather people use Alpine's code than Bye Bye Money. No offense, but you don't know where it is. I actually think I might have a code, but I don't even know where it is. It's fine, David. It's fine. I would just prefer um, to share. If we share a code, I prefer it to be one of the people I know or the people that support me or whatever. Not to be picky. Hey, thank you, Bad Juju. I appreciate that. Otherwise, David. Yeah, I know, David. You're good. You're good. Alpine, do you have your code for the Replicanto? I'll let you share it if you have it. Alpine 20. There you go. There you go, guys. Use that code. You don't know if you ever signed the agreement. Uh-oh. I was just looking to see if I know I was looking into it. I haven't really done my due diligence because I don't really promote Replicon. I guess I do kind of, but I guess maybe I should maybe I should do it. I guess it's kind of dumb not to. Oh well. They're worthless if you do not share. That is true. That is very true. Try the Alpine 20. If it doesn't work, then try Nutty Bar 20. I believe Nutty Bar 20 also works, so I think I have mine. I was just now looking. I think I do have it set up. It was a while ago and I couldn't remember. Oh, wow. This is a nice move up. I don't know. Very choppy move up, I should say. But hey, we're slowly making the climb. I guess I should maybe start putting my code. Maybe I should start putting my Replicanto code on here. Just, I guess it's kind of dumb not to. I might do that. That'll give me something to work on over the weekend. I will say, Alpine Trader, the Quant Tower. I've been kind of testing it out still. I'm at the end of my 7-day trial, so I don't think I'm going to renew it right now. But it did give me the information I wanted if I ever decide to go that route. I definitely there's some things I like, some things I don't like about it, but overall I think it's very cool that you can connect multiple Rhythmic accounts at the same time. That's pretty cool. I don't know how they do that, but that's pretty cool. What is my real job? I am part business owner, small-time business owner, and part of that job is I take care of the financials, and I also take care of the design. I do all the drawings, 3D drawings. We primarily service or provide furniture for restaurants, hotels, and retail fixtures for stores or displays. Yes, Bobby, I believe so. It should be $150 for one machine, and then you should be able to get a 20% discount. You can try the Nutty Bar 20, or you can try the Alpine 20 as well. See whichever works. Doesn't matter to me. Are you kidding me, Alpine? You're still waiting on Buellnock. Man, that actually makes me not think. I mean, I definitely don't want to use them. Wow, that's crazy. Yep. Wow, here we go, boys. 15,337 heading to 15,340. We have climbed all this way up. Okay, you did get it activated finally? Nice. Yeah, I'm curious as well, patient trader. Like, what is their excuse? Why is it taking... Hasn't it been like 4 days? Yeah, no problem, Bobby. No problem. Thank you. The first account takes like day and a half, 2 days. Jin, you think we're going down now? We could. You could be right. Oh, I see. Okay. So you're waiting on the next one and they just haven't got it. I remember that, Alpine. I remember that. Yep, I remember. Okay. Well, I'm kind of at a crossroad. And I think I'm going to end this stream early. I think I'm going to end this stream here. I just don't. I'm totally content with ending the day where we're at. I have some things I need to take care of tonight. We have an event planned here tonight. We're actually having, we're featuring a Redneck Olympics here at our place tonight. It's going to be a thrill. And we're doing it for our church youth. Should be fun. And I have a couple of things I need to get in order and get lined up and planned for tonight. So I think I'm going to go do that. And yeah, I think we'll end the stream here. Kind of a short stream, but I am happy to end the stream in green. What are you supposed to do all afternoon? I'm sorry. I don't know. You know what? Here. You know what? YouTube should make the function of hosting or like rating someone. Because I can't. But yeah, go watch Trading with Travis or go watch. There's plenty of people to watch. But anyway, take care, everybody. There you go. Well, go watch Alpine Trader. He'll go live. You'll do it. So, all right, everybody. Thanks, everybody, for joining in again today. It was a great session, short and sweet. Hopefully, you guys will make even more money this afternoon. And we will end it here. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. I am not sure about Monday. I think I'm going to trade some Monday. I kind of have plans right now to go live Monday at my normal time. So I guess tune in. We'll see if we have any good price action or not. But I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check it out at least. So we'll see everybody Monday. Take care. Have a great rest of your weekend.